Student, let us see some programming example, okay, in assembly language. The programming that we do in 8085 microprocessor is called assembly language. It is a machine language. It is a machine language. Now, in this, a question is given. Write a program in assembly language to add two 8-bit number present in memory location C200H and C201H. Store the result in memory location C300H. Okay, now let us student first understand what is the meaning of this question. The question says we have two location. One location's address is C200 and another location address is C201. We want to do addition and the result comes in the location C300H. Result will be in C300H. Okay, this is our storage result. Now what we have to do, we are going to have a content in C200. Suppose I take 06 and here I take 03. Now 06 will be added with 03 and I should get answer 09. How we perform this code? How we perform this program? For that purpose, we should know that we have learned what are arithmetic instructions. In arithmetic instruction, we have studied addition because we are going to do addition. This addition can be done in different format. So I will be discussing with you all the different formats in which we can perform this addition. So let us start. First of all, students, we need to specify the location. What is the location given? I have a location C200, right? I have first location C200. How I am going to initialize this location? I am going to use LDA C200H. I am going to write LDA C200H. Okay. When I write LDA C200, what was there in this content? 06. This 06 will come by default in accumulator, right? This 06 will come by default in accumulator. But we know that we also have one more location C201, right? We have one more location C201. Now what is going to happen when I am going to call this location C201? It is having 03. If I again write LDA C201, then the data 03 will overwrite the data of 06, meaning 03 overwrite the data 06, right? So in this condition we will lose our content, we will lose our data. So what we should do? We should avoid such situation. What I am going to do? I am going to follow some method. Instead of calling it directly, I am going to first transfer this 06 in some register. I have a register B, C, D, E, H and L. Out of this, any one register I can select. I am selecting a register B. Now I want to copy this content in register B. So what I should use? We have studied in data transfer group. We can use move instruction. Move B comma A. Okay. Now it is okay. Now if I will call again LDA C201, now if this data overwrites 06, no problem. We have 06 here. We have 06 here. So we don't have any problem that we can lose our data. Now we have two content. Now what we can do by this two content? We can use add. I am just writing add B. If I write add B, what is going to happen? I wrote add B. Add B will do the addition and the result will come back into accumulator. See the format of add register. After addition, I want the content. I will get my 0 3 plus 0 6 will become 0 9. So in accumulator, I will be having a new data now. The new data is 0 9. That is 0 9. Okay, I got a new data 0 9. Now this new data has to be given to the location C300. This data should go to location C300. Yes, how this data will go? By the instruction STA C300H. Once we write this, then our data is stored to a particular location. Now just we have to stop this. So for stopping this, we just write RST1. Okay student, this program is done. Now student, let us learn some another way. Okay, the another way to solve this program is in this way. I am going to use LXI H C200. When I write this LXI H C200, the content of HL pair, C200 will be pointed to memory. Will point to memory. So whatever is there is 06, it will go into memory. No problem. Okay. Then I will write the content C201. In this, whatever data is there, that is again going to memory. That will go again to memory because it will be pointing by HL pair. So what I will do, before transferring this data, before using this data, I will just move this data into A. Right? Then I will call this data, then it will go at this place. Yes, just see what is the process. I am going to write here move A comma M. Okay, then I am going to increment because it is a continuous location pointed by HL pair. I am going to write INX H, then add M straightforward. This is an indirect way. Then HL pair, it is in HL pair. What I want to do, I have to store in the content of C300. Add M is over. Now where is the result? It will go into accumulator. Now I can write STA C300H. Okay students, and finally RST1. Please write it down in your notebook. Okay student, addition, how to perform this addition is clear. Let us see another questions on. Okay, the question will be like subtraction. We have two numbers the similar way. Now how I done addition, the same way I need to do subtraction also. Let us start doing the program. Okay, we have two locations C200H and C201H. They will be subtracted. Now the result will be in memory location C300. Now we start. First let us make the question, make the concept clear. We have the location C200 and C201, right? Now what is the format for subtraction? A will be there, subtracted with R, result will go in accumulator. Now means what? This A should be, the A data should be pointed by C200. This R data will be given here. So what we should do, what we can do, keep in mind this thing. Because if we want to subtract A minus R, so A should come first. A should come first. Let us write a code. I want the instruction LDA. In subtraction purpose, we write C201 first. Then we move the data. Okay, I'm moving into B. Then I'm going to write LDA C200. Okay, then I will use sub B. Then I will store the result STA C300. Okay, and RST1. In this way we complete the subtraction code. Okay students, these are the two examples on arithmetic group of addition and subtraction. In next video we will be learning more concepts, okay, on programming. Thank you.